Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in. If it is your first time here, my name is Naledi Swaratlhe, and today's video is kind of like a soft pink eyeshadow glam tutorial. It's really easy. I literally used 2 shades of eyeshadow, and it's quite easy to follow, beginner friendly, and it pops so much. I'm actually liking it, like the pink. Beautiful. It's an easy makeup look that you can go from day to day, wear with almost anything, because it's so nice and soft and simple, not too much going on. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to also subscribe to my family. Join the family. We are on the road to 200 subscribers. Right now we are at 170 if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, thank you for the support that everyone else has been giving me so far. So I love you guys. Anyway, enjoy the video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye. So I'm firstly going to start off by priming my face with the Rose Glow Hydrating and Illuminating Primer from Revlon, and this primer is really nice. I got it from Diskim, and I'm just going to kind of put it on my face like that. The instructions actually say that you should rub it up with your fingers together first. I don't know why I'm not doing it. But I like the fact that it's an hydrating as well as an illuminating primer, which means it's going to give you like that nice glow on the inside, or underneath your skin rather. Next I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Dream Satin liquid foundation, and I'm going to use a foundation brush right here and just blend it out like that. And then I'm just gonna go on my dark spots, especially in my cheeks, and just use a buffer this time, not the foundation brush. I'm just gonna go in a tap motion. This will help so that it can sit like skin, sort of like that, and blend in nicely. So I was here on my other cheek. Okay, next I'm gonna go in with this amazing palette from it's from Chick Cosmetics, and it's the Nightswind Palette. So I got this about 2 weeks ago, if I am not mistaken, if not 3. I haven't been filming, you guys, like, yeah, cool, that side by recess. But anyway, I'm firstly gonna go and use a concealer on my lids. So I'm using the LA Pro Girl HD concealer, and I'm just going to go on my lids to prep my eyelids. You can also use a primer, an eye primer. So I am going to go in with the shade Highkey first. It's this beautiful pink one right here, and I'm going to use my color brush from, this is the Blending 311 brush, and I'm going to start off with Highkey on my crease. And then now I'm gonna go and switch my brush to the color number 415 crease brush. I should have actually used this one on my crease because I feel like it works better, but yeah. And then we're gonna go in with the shade Lowkey right here. This one right here. It's like a lighter pink, and I'm just gonna place that like on the center of my lids like that. Lowkey is quite lighter than the Highkey one because it's Lowkey. Dry. Why I did that, I don't even know. I love pink. Like, pink is such a nice color. Then I'm gonna go back with Lowkey again, Highkey again, and just fill in my lids. This palette is such a colorful palette, so there's so much you can actually do with it. If you guys have any other ideas or any other looks you'd like me to film with the palette, please do let me know. Comment down below in the comment section below, and yeah, I will do the most for you guys because there's so much that you can actually do with these colors. Like, look at them. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is me when I'm very, very excited. Ooh, yes. It's like a soft pink glam, not too dark. And then we're just gonna go in again with the blending brush from color, and we're just gonna make sure that there's no harsh lines. Okay, and then now I'm just gonna go on my lower lash line just to fill it in with Highkey to complete the look. And then I'm just gonna go in with this color right here from my Lowkey palette, and I'm gonna put the color on the insides or on my tear ducts. Just a little bit though, because I really do want the focus to be on the pink eye. Okay, and then next I am going to line my eyes using my Rimmel Exaggerate eyeliner right here, and we're gonna line. I was contemplating, I was like, should I line my eyes? Should I not? But yeah, I think we're gonna go for it. Okay, next I am going to highlight and contour, and I'm using the LA Girl Pro HD Concealers, my favorite. I just basically applied my lashes off camera. I'm just gonna blend it out with the beauty blender. then now I'm gonna bake it using my Yardley loose powder, just so that the concealer can sit and not crease. I'm just gonna go in the back of my beauty blender and just place it there. You're just placing it, you're not really like applying or dabbing it in or whatever. Yeah, and then I'm just gonna go in and contour while I wait for that to set. And I'm using my Pro HD concealer as well, and this is in the shade Beautiful Bronze, and I'm just gonna go on my cheeks right there, and I'm not really gonna go on my forehead. I hardly go on my forehead. And then I'm gonna blend it out with the slanted foundation brush. I'm just gonna go like that. Just a little bit on my forehead. The reason why I don't contour my forehead is because like I feel like my forehead doesn't have so much space or so much forehead space or whatever, so it goes in my hair and I really don't like that, unless if I have a hairstyle that's like tied back, but otherwise no, I really don't. Ugh, I'm really feeling this eye makeup look like okay, anyways. And the lighting, my gosh. Alright, I'm basically done with that, and I'm gonna dust it off. I'm gonna dust this off, but before that, oh wait, I need to contour my nose, and I'm using my usual Rimmel Insta Contour Duo Stick. I'm just gonna use the contouring side to contour my nose like that. I'm just gonna blend it out with this brush right here. I'm gonna dust off that setting powder. And then off to highlighting. I'm going to go in with this shade right here from the Lowkey palette, and I'm just gonna go a little bit on my nose like that. I'm using the same brush that I was using on my eyes. I cleaned it a little bit. It's not super clean, but I was just hoping that the pink doesn't come through on my nose, but well. It applies this so nicely compared to a fan brush, because a fan brush is nice to use on your cheeks and stuff, but on your nose, it just looks weird. I don't know if it's just me. Anyways, and then I am going to use this fan brush from Color as well, and I'm gonna go in with the same. I'm just gonna highlight. I'm not gonna do the most of the highlighting. My mom the other day was like, and then I remembered, oh my gosh, I probably shouldn't put in too much highlights. She wasn't referring to me. She was somewhere at an event, and then she saw this girl who had like a lot of highlights on her face, and so she was like, what is this thing that girls are putting on their cheeks? Because my mom is not really into makeup. You'd wonder where I got it from. Hey. Hey. And then I am going to go in with my gloss from Essence. You guys know this is my favorite lip gloss, and this is the, if my camera shall focus, this is the Shine Shine Wet Look lip gloss. The writing is even going off the bottle because I use it so much. I even use it on days where I don't wear makeup. It just adds that, I don't know man, like that glow to your face, you know. I'm just gonna set that with my MAC Fix Plus spray. MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus spray. Shake the bottle, shake.